Welcome back. Where am I, you may be asking? I am in the foam forest of my attic. I am currently standing above the bathroom, but I'm not really too excited because I have to go over there and there's no handholds. So I'll be roughly 18 feet in a vaulted ceiling with 2-foot spacers between the rafters. And if I fall through, it's gonna really hurt. I have to do 4 of these because I am getting ready to hang some chandeliers in each of the vaulted bedrooms, and I have to get to that. So, if I don't post anymore, you'll know why. Oh, you guys have a blessed day. I'll talk to you later.